If you were to create the best app for personal trainers, what would you include? I've worked with in-person and online personal trainers to build the best all-in-one dashboard that covers all areas. I chose to use Notion as it's free, fully customizable, and expandable, as we don't want to be restricted by how many clients we can manage or have monthly subscription payments slowing our business growth. For the app, we decided to focus on three main areas: clients, coaching, and business. To manage clients, we created a powerful CRM that has unlimited space. Each client has a unique portal page for storing relevant information like goals, session notes, and progress. Each portal is modular, so you can drag and drop different sections, and we've provided instructions to help you add any tool or extension to better manage your clients. For the coaching aspect, we have a number of tools across fitness and nutrition. Let's start with fitness. There are already 100+ exercises and stretches added, so you can instantly start creating workouts, recovery routines, and then turn them into training plans that can be assigned and shared with clients easily. Across nutrition coaching, there's a library of ingredients with calories and macros added, allowing you to create meals with nutritional information. These can then be used in meal plans aimed at helping achieve different client goals, such as weight loss or muscle building. Meals and meal plans can be assigned and shared with clients easily. To help personal trainers organize and carry out their coaching anywhere, we've created a mobile-optimized page. This makes it easier to access and complete any workout or plan using the Notion mobile app. We didn't just stop there. To enhance coaching further, we can offer bespoke training and tracking tools for each client's goals. In each client portal, we can set cardio, weight, and nutrition targets and keep track of progress. We can also create client-specific workouts that allow us to track their lift progress on each exercise and weight. This dashboard aims to give you as many ways to train and manage your clients as possible, so you can have freedom and flexibility in your coaching. Finally, let's cover the business aspect of the dashboard. It gives you the tools and strategies to track, plan, and grow your business. Let's start with tracking. In the finance page, you have the option to track your session invoices, as well as monthly income, expenses, and business growth. In the leads table, you can manage all your potential client leads and keep track of their contact details, status, and source. You can also add notes for each lead, detailing their pain points, objectives, and concerns, allowing you to better tailor your communication and increase your chances of signing them as a client. To plan your business, we have a goals and tasks page that helps you boost productivity, set deadlines, and outline your business vision. This ensures you stay accountable for your own goals, not just those of your clients. You can also plan your marketing and social media activity. Here, you can schedule and organize posts, track engagement, and build your brand and audience. To accelerate your business growth, we've provided resources to enhance your skills across all areas of personal training, from niche coaching to communication and marketing. These resources will help you become a leading personal trainer. There's also a page with detailed tips on how to acquire new leads and increase client retention. Additionally, we've included some of our favorite strategies to help you boost your hourly rate, introduce new income streams, and accelerate your brand and business. Since launching the dashboard, we've received great feedback from personal trainers of all types. With the help of customer feedback, we're continually building and developing the dashboard. We've recently added new homepage quick action buttons and stats. All customers receive lifetime access to future updates, so the dashboard will continue to improve as Notion introduces new capabilities. If you're an in-person, online, or hybrid personal trainer looking to manage your clients, enhance your coaching, and grow your business, this dashboard is designed for you. Follow the link in the description to download it for yourself. Thanks for watching.